One of the companies that crushed the market after hours is C3.ai, a leading provider of enterprise AI software platform and applications. C3.ai reported its second quarter fiscal 2022 results on December 1, 2021, and they were impressive. Here are some of the highlights. C3.ai's revenue grew by 19% year-over-year to $52.3 million, driven by strong demand for its enterprise AI software platform and applications. This exceeded the company's guidance and sell-side analysts' expectations. C3.ai's subscription revenue, which accounts for 81% of its total revenue, increased by 32% year-over-year to $47.4 million. This reflects the high quality and recurring nature of C3.ai's revenue stream. C3.ai's gross profit margin improved to 73%, up from 76% a year ago. This shows the scalability and efficiency of C3.ai's business model. C3.ai's remaining performance obligations, RPO, which represent the future revenue that is under contract but not yet recognized, grew by 74% year-over-year to $465.5 million. This indicates a strong backlog and visibility for future revenue growth. C3.ai significantly expanded and restructured its strategic relationship with Baker Hughes, one of its largest customers and partners, increasing the value of the contract by $45 million to $495 million, extending its term from 5 to 6 years, and guaranteeing C3.ai a minimum of $357 million of GAAP revenue over the next 3.5 years. This demonstrates the value and stickiness of C3.ai's solutions for its customers. C3.ai's CEO Thomas M. Siebel said that the company closed another strong quarter, diversified its enterprise AI footprint across many industries, and continued to innovate with the delivery of C3.ai Data Vision, a new product that reinvents the enterprise software user experience. Based on its strong performance and outlook, C3.ai raised its revenue guidance for fiscal 2022 to $248 million to $251 million, representing a growth rate of 35% to 37%, up from 17% growth in fiscal 2021. This shows the confidence and optimism that C3.ai has for its business prospects. C3.ai is a leader in the fast-growing and disruptive market of enterprise AI, which is expected to reach $300 billion with its unique platform and applications that enable enterprises to rapidly deploy scalable and reliable AI solutions across various domains and industries. C3.ai has a huge opportunity to capture a significant share of this market and deliver long-term value for its shareholders. Salesforce is one of the leading cloud-based software companies in the world, offering solutions for customer relationship management, CRM, marketing, analytics, and more. In this video, we will look at how Salesforce's revenue increased by 23% year-over-year to $5.96 billion in the second quarter of fiscal 2023, fueled by its cloud-based offerings and its acquisition of Slack. Salesforce reported its second quarter results on August 24, 2022, beating analysts' expectations on both revenue and earnings. The company posted revenue of $7.72 billion, up 22% from the same quarter last year, and 26% in constant currency. Subscription and support revenues, which account for the majority of Salesforce's revenue, were $7.14 billion, up 21% year-over-year. Professional services and other revenues were $0.58 billion, up 35% year-over-year. One of the main drivers of Salesforce's revenue growth was its cloud-based offerings, which include platforms such as Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, Marketing Cloud, Commerce Cloud, Platform and MuleSoft, and Integration Cloud. These platforms enable customers to manage their sales, service, marketing, commerce, and integration processes in the cloud, without having to invest in costly hardware or software. Salesforce reported that each of these platforms grew by double digits year-over-year in the second quarter. Another key driver of Salesforce's revenue growth was its acquisition of Slack, the popular workplace collaboration platform. Salesforce completed the acquisition on July 21, 2022, for approximately $27.7 billion in cash and stock. Slack is now part of Salesforce's Platform and MuleSoft segment, which grew by 28% year-over-year to $1.9 billion in the second quarter. Salesforce expects Slack to enhance its Customer 360 platform, which provides a unified view of customers across different channels and departments. Salesforce also benefited from strong demand across regions, industries, and segments in the second quarter. The company reported that its Americas region grew by 20% year-over-year to $5.2 billion in revenue, its Europe region grew by 28% year-over-year to $1.8 billion in revenue, and its Asia-Pacific region grew by 26% year-over-year to $0.7 billion in revenue. Salesforce also saw growth across various industries such as financial services, healthcare and life sciences, public sector, manufacturing, retail and consumer goods, and communications and media. Additionally, Salesforce saw growth across different segments such as small and medium businesses, SMBs, enterprise customers, and strategic customers. Salesforce's strong performance in the second quarter reflects its leadership position in the cloud-based software market, as well as its ability to innovate and acquire new capabilities. The company raised its guidance for the full fiscal year 2023 to $30.9 billion to $31 billion in revenue, up 17% year-over-year, and $4.74 to $4.76 in non-GAAP earnings per share. Salesforce also announced its first-ever share repurchase program of up to $10 billion, signaling its confidence in its future growth prospects. In summary, Salesforce's revenue increased by 23% year-over-year to $5.96 billion in the second quarter of fiscal 2023, fueled by its cloud-based offerings and its acquisition of Slack. The company also beat analysts' expectations on both revenue and earnings, reported growth across regions, industries, and segments, raised its guidance for the full fiscal year, and announced a share repurchase program of up to $10 billion.